So this video is about a trip that was a little bit out of my comfort zone. 4 of us, we went to the heart of Europe. Some familiar faces and some not. I met a couple of these guys last week in London and we decided to book the trip. I meet some people on my travels.
There you go. That's me.
Cool, man. I'm Jameson, I've just followed you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. You know, everywhere I go, if I see a camera, we got something to talk about, we got something in common, so. What's going on here? Shooters, shooting, shooters, shooting, shooters. We've done a little shoot together. I've been waiting for someone to walk through, so probably halfway. You can do it if you want. Just act natural. We ended up in the Waffle House and we had some breakfast. We had some coffee, some breakfast, and I really liked the lighting, so I told Michael to put some glasses on, and
you hold on to them.
That set him up for being the model for the rest of the trip, because to be fair, I think he looks pretty cool.
Look towards it a little bit.
The streets are starting to fill with people as the shops are starting to open. It's still empty enough for me to enjoy myself and not feel overwhelmed. I saw this couple crossing the road. They just come out of the cafe and I really like their old school sort of swagger. So I took some photos of them, followed them around for a bit. I had an idea for Leon to stand in the middle of the road with everyone walking across the crossing and doing like slow motion. This is how it came out. Day 3, and we're going to Ghent. We're going to be meeting another photographer that is coming down from Amsterdam. None of us have met him yet, but I'm sure it'll be fun. We've all got that one thing in common, and that's being creative.
De Montmartre à Notre-Dame, un monde entier sommeille. Un premier rayon de soleil illumine les quais de Seine. Une pause, café crème, on se remet de la veille. Il n'y en a pas de pareil, le Paris village s'éveille.
If you like the video, then please like and subscribe, and maybe drop a comment below on a place that you would like to visit. Don't miss out on the next part of this video for when we go to Ghent. We drink beer, eat food, and we meet up with some real cool people. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.